Okay guys, today we're going to box the Halloween tattoos. I just removed those by accident. So today I'm just going to unbox the Halloween tattoos. Well, I'm still at the errands right now because cleaning chores in this errands, right son?
Oh boy, you want to hug now?
No. I told you, son, you keep hugging me for 24/7, like the Long Island Railroad. The Long Island Railroad runs 24/7.
But I want to hug now.
Nope. Alright, then Lady Brother, you're going to sit right here. We're only going to do son Elinor and Lady Brother today because these things are only for the other plushes and the other characters. Only for this, only for fast food scenes with a lot of plushy characters like papers, puppets, plushes, etc. And humans. Well, I don't have any human characters. I only have the South Park and Yakety human characters. Well, these are animal characters and planet characters. Well, the sun is not a planet. The sun is a star, and everyone is animal. That's why I made that. Puppet is the animal puppet. Alright, we're gonna box the tattoo. Probably gonna get the Thanksgiving. I don't know if Friday we're gonna go to the Blaze Jackal.
I know.
I don't know if we're going this year. It ends on November 17th and the one in Long Island is ending November 4th. Probably want to keep the Halloween profile picture when I come back to turn the original profile picture on my YouTube channel. Alright, here it is. I couldn't upload Boston videos. I couldn't upload from Boston to right now yet on my Boston channel. Well, I uploaded it because I was active and busy. Alright, now let's go on Boston tattoo. It was just a small pack, actually. Yeah, that's it. The leftover pillow might take a long time, like the olive flesh. Not olive theatrics, just the elephant. I think the olive flesh is from Ukraine, which I ordered on Eatsay. Well, here's the tattoos. Kind of similar to the surprise egg, but that was the Easter version. Well, I didn't get the tattoo egg surprise. I only did the Spider-Man egg surprise video 1 year ago. Just the wombats and just Cosmo. Well, I don't know how to put it. Kind of similar to the egg surprise tattoos. I think like 40 or I think I'm going to turn the water. I'm going to have to do it on now. Alright guys, here's some new tattoos. It glows also. I just wanted the one that looks similar to this one. Well, we just decided this because it's cheaper one. That's more expensive, okay?
Alright, then that was nice. Hey, I'm going to eat your surprise.
No, son. Bad girl, please.
No.
No. Don't throw the camera.
I want to hug now. Now let me hug now.
No, you're not getting hugs right now. Until tomorrow. Tomorrow you have hugs.
What about Halloween?
I don't know.
Can I go trick-or-treating with you?
We'll see. Well, you already did the parade back in Saturday. to film the other side because I don't want to see the logo.
Alright then.
I'll take picture 2 tattoos.
Yeah. Alright then, that'll be it. I want a hug.
No.